Now, your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman.
Weren't talking about any tornadoes this afternoon across the Tennessee Valley. Instead, we switched to the tornadic activity for a little bit of rain and a little bit of snow. Snow moved into the Tennessee Valley very early this morning, and for some of us, it stuck around through a good majority of the morning, early into the afternoon. The only ones that weren't lucky enough to see any snow today were those across northeast Alabama. Jackson, DeKalb, and Marshall counties, unfortunately, they had to deal with rain all morning and all afternoon. Everybody else got to enjoy a little bit of snow. Some folks picked up as much as 1.5 or even 2 inches of the white stuff through the later part of the morning early this afternoon. Pinpoint Viper is looking much quieter this evening, and I expect it's going to stay that way as we head into the overnight. Of course, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for the dozens and dozens and dozens of photos you shared with us, whether that was on social media or you texted us. I wanted to highlight just a couple of them. Of course, you cannot have a snow event without the traditional ruler pick. Thanks to Porter Johnson over in Colbert County. Looks like his location picked up just over an inch of snow there in Colbert County. I want to thank Jenny in Florence for sending me this photo. I asked Jenny how much she thought she had in her yard. She told me she thought it was right around 1.5 inches. And then, of course, we have Jeffrey sent this fantastic photo of the trees over in Madison. Now that the snow has come to an end, there's 3 things that I think you should know in the rather immediate future. Temperatures are going to fall as we head into the overnight early into Tuesday morning. That means freezing is going to be possible on the roadways because those roadways still have moisture on them. That moisture isn't going to stick around very long because it looks like we'll see plenty of sunshine on Tuesday. That sunshine should dry out those roads, which means this is only going to be a one morning kind of a problem. Temperatures right now across the Tennessee Valley sitting in the lower 30s at Huntsville International, sitting right around 34 degrees. Road temperatures, which are different than air temperatures, are sitting in the mid and upper 30s, 36, 37, 38 degrees. We'll continue to cool off our air temperature as we head later into the overnight. We're dropping into the mid and upper 20s. I've got a low right around 28 degrees. Some folks, especially across northwest Alabama, where they did see a little more snow this afternoon, could drop into the lower 20s. An average low temperature right around 32 or 33 degrees. Now we talk about those pavement temperatures, which again are different than air temperatures. Air temperatures are measured 6 to 8 feet above your head. These are about as close to the surface as we can get. And look what I've got for you. By the time we get to 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, pavement temperatures right around 31, 32 degrees, some sitting in the upper 20s across northwest Alabama. That's going to create cause for a little bit of black ice across North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee. Not going to be as big of a concern across northeast Alabama, where again they just dealt with rain. Pavement temperatures aren't going to have that ability to cool off, but locations west of I-65 and up across southern Middle Tennessee could be dealing with some black ice in the morning. With that in mind, just allow yourself several extra minutes during the morning commute. From there, it actually does look like temperatures are going to do a halfway decent job at warming up. Looks like we finished the day in the mid and upper 40s, still below average, but all in all, it's really not going to be a bad Tuesday across the Tennessee Valley. Tuesday morning, maybe some cloud cover hanging out across northeast Alabama, Jackson, DeKalb, and Marshall counties. Otherwise, we're talking about a nice clear sky across northwest Alabama, Lauderdale, Colbert, and Franklin counties. A nice clear sky across Lawrence and Limestone County. That cloud cover will clear out in northeast Alabama by the later part of the morning, early into the afternoon. 50 degrees for your Wednesday, 55 on Thursday. Temperatures do fall off a little bit Friday and then through the weekend. I realized a really nice upside about snow in Alabama, Connor.
What is it?
We never have to deal with ugly snow. You know, where you and I come from, you eventually have big black piles of sludge. In Alabama, it melts so fast, we don't have time to look at ugly snow. We just get to look at nice snow.
That's actually so true. And for anyone that doesn't know, Jordan and I both worked in Idaho before this.
Where they have piles of black, ugly snow until like Easter.
But we have pretty snow. Thank you, Jordan.